How to manage money on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your money on Microsoft Excel easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Excel. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on this plus icon. Now go down and search for manage my money, and here is it right here. Now click on it, and here you go. Now right here you can manage your money easily by editing those informations and add your informations easily. And as you can see here, you can enter your formula, and after you finish, just click here in the top corner and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.